Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you drive a car, SUV, or even a light truck, a portable jump starter is one of the most important emergency tools you should always keep in your vehicle. In today's video, we're going to talk about the top 5 best portable jump starters in USA for 2026, based on performance, reliability, features, and value for money. All the product links are given in the description below for your convenience. On number 5, we have the Decany Jump Starter with air compressor. This is the most affordable jump starter on our list, making it a great choice if you want a tight budget but still want something reliable. It delivers up to 5,000 A peak current, which is more than enough to jumpstart gasoline engines up to 9.0 liters and diesel engines up to 8.0 liters. It also comes with a built-in air compressor that can inflate tires up to 160 psi, which is extremely useful during road trips or emergencies. On top of that, you get smart jumper cables, LED emergency lights, and an LCD display that shows real-time battery and pressure information. In real-world usage, the current buying price usually falls in the range of around $45 to $55, depending on ongoing deals. If you want the cheapest option that still gets the job done, this is a solid pick. On number 4, we have the Bootour Portable 10-in-1 Jump Starter with air compressor. This is a premium, feature-loaded jump starter designed for people who want everything in one device. It offers a massive 8,000 A peak current, capable of starting all gas engines and up to 14-liter diesel engines, which is seriously impressive. It includes a powerful 160 psi air compressor, fast charging support, emergency lights, gloves, and multiple safety protections. Overall, build quality feels premium, and it is designed for heavy-duty usage. The current buying price generally stays in a range of around $85 to $95, making it the most expensive product on this list. If budget is not an issue and you want the best and most powerful option, this is the one for you. On number 3, we have the Jaeger Auto 16-in-1 Jump Starter with air compressor. This jump starter is all about versatility. With an 8,000 A peak current, it can handle all gas engines and diesel engines up to 14 liters, just like the Bootour model, but at a slightly more balanced price point. You also get a 160 psi air compressor, emergency LED lighting, safety gloves, and a complete emergency toolkit. It's designed for people who want a reliable jump starter that can also handle multiple roadside situations. In terms of current buying price, it usually ranges between $75 and $85. If you want high power with a more reasonable price, this is an excellent middle ground option. On number 2, we have the Wolfbox 2000A Jump Starter with air compressor. This model is perfect for daily drivers and small to mid-size vehicles. It delivers 2,000 A peak current, which is ideal for engines up to 5.0-liter gasoline vehicles. It may not be the most powerful on the list, but it is extremely reliable and easy to use. It comes with a 150 psi tire inflator, LED emergency light, and strong safety protections. The compact size makes it very convenient to store in your car without taking much space. The current buying price generally falls between $78 and $85. If you want something simple, reliable, and well-built, this is a great option. And finally, on number 1, we have the Gulu A3 Jump Starter with air compressor. This is hands down the best value for money portable jump starter in USA for 2026. It delivers 3,000 A peak current, which is enough to start gasoline engines up to 9.0 liters and diesel engines up to 6.5 liters. It also features a 150 psi auto shut-off tire inflator, which makes tire inflation extremely safe and convenient. Gulu is a well-known and trusted brand, and this model is praised for its reliability, compact design, and strong safety features. The current buying price usually stays in a range of around $60 to $70, which is amazing considering what it offers. That's why this jump starter takes the number 1 spot on our list. So that was our list of the top 5 best portable jump starters in USA for 2026. No matter your budget or vehicle type, there's a perfect option for you on this list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more honest and detailed product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.